Everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yardman and More, and today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart a 2010 Dodge Charger. This particular Charger has the battery in the trunk and not up here in the front, but up here you have two terminals. You want to make sure you follow the red wire, which is over here, over to here. This is the terminal to the relay box. And so here you got a terminal here. You would put your positive on that, and then over here is your ground. You can jump it by putting your jumper cables on these two terminals. The other option is to come back here, and inside the trunk is where the battery is. So you're going to flip this up, and there's your spare tire. Here's your battery. You've got your positive terminal here and your negative terminal here. So that's where you would put your jumper cables or your jump box. And that is how you jump start a Dodge Charger.